Waterfalls in Odisha. Waterfalls. Location: Barehi Pani, Mayurbhanj, Khandadhar Falls, Sundargarh, Sangagra Waterfall, Keonjhar, Joranda, Mayurbhanj, Devkund, Baripda, Badghagra, Kendujhar, Harishankar, Gandhamardan Hills, Duduma, Koraput, Koilighugar, Lakhanpur. Barehi Pani. Barehi Pani waterfall is the highest and a famous two-tiered waterfall in Odisha, located in the Simlipal Tiger Reserve in the Mayurbhanj district. It is also the second highest waterfall in India, falling from a height of approximately 399 meters, 1,309 feet, over a wide cliff. Fed by the Budhbalanga River, it cascades dramatically into a broad pool, creating a spectacular view amidst the rich wildlife and dense forests of the reserve. Khandadhar Waterfalls. Sundargarh's second highest waterfall of the state. The Khandadhar Falls is located in Nandapani, Bonagadh in the Sundargarh district on the Indian state of Odisha. It is the 9th highest waterfall in India and the second highest in Odisha after Barehi Pani Falls in Mayurbhanj. Sangagra Waterfall. The Sangagra Waterfall is a waterfall located in the Kendujhar district in the Indian state of Odisha. It is located 3 kilometers upstream of Badghagra Waterfall, also in Kendujhar. Joranda Waterfall. Joranda Waterfall is a 490-foot, 150-meter, high, single-drop waterfall located within the Simlipal National Park in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha, India. Devkund Waterfall. Devkund Waterfall refers to two distinct, popular natural sites in India, one in Maharashtra, near Bhira, known for its plunge waterfall and picnic spot, and another in Odisha's Simlipal National Park, Devkunda, within a national park, known for a sacred pond and a trek through nature. Badghagra Waterfall. Badghagra is a perennial waterfall in Odisha's Keonjhar district, located near the district headquarters, known for its scenic beauty within a dense green forest. With a drop of about 60 to 70 meters, 200 feet, it's situated on the Machkandana River, a tributary of the Baitarani River, and is a popular spot for tourists and picnickers. Harishankar Waterfall. Harishankar Waterfall is a beautiful and spiritual destination in the Gandhamardan Hills of Bolangir district, Odisha, India, famous for its serene cascade, lush greenery, and the nearby Harishankar temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, Hari, and Lord Shiva, Shankar. Duduma Waterfall. Duduma Waterfall is a tall, picturesque cascade formed by the Machkund River, located on the border of Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. It is a significant natural attraction, standing at about 175 meters, 574 feet, high, with a distinct two-tiered drop. The area is known for its lush green forests, mountains, and a hydroelectric power project nearby. Visitors can access the site via a pathway with steps, enjoy the natural showers, and find picnic spots. Koilighugar Waterfall. Koilighugar Waterfall is a scenic, around 200-foot tall waterfall in the Jharsuguda district of Odisha, formed by the Ahiraj rivulet descending through rocky terrain near Lakhanpur.